The truth about money. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about something that everyone thinks about almost every day, money. We all use it. We all need it. But have you ever stopped to ask, what is money, really? And how should we think about it from God's perspective? Money is not just coins or notes. It's a tool, a system that helps us live and exchange things. A long time ago, people used to trade items like food, clothes, or animals. That system worked, but it wasn't always fair or easy. That's why money was created, to make life simpler and more organized. But over time, money became more than just a tool. It became a goal. People began to chase money like it was the most important thing in life. And today, many believe that success means having a lot of money, big houses, luxury cars, and expensive holidays. Social media makes it worse. We keep comparing our lives with others who seem richer or happier. But is that really what life is about? Let's be honest, money is important. We need it for food, rent, education, transport, and many basic things. But the problem starts when we start loving money more than anything else. When we become greedy, selfish, and dishonest just to earn more, we lose our peace. God says, the love of money is the root of all evil. It doesn't say money is evil. It says the love of money is the problem. When we put money above God, family, and values, we are walking on a dangerous path. God wants us to be wise with our money. That means earning it honestly, spending it with care, and sharing it with those in need. A generous heart is more valuable to God than a full bank account. You don't have to be rich to help others. Even a small act of kindness counts in God's eyes. We must also remember that everything we have is a gift from God: our health, our time, our talents, and even our income. So, we must ask ourselves, are we using these gifts to serve God and others, or just to serve ourselves? Money can be a blessing when used right. It can feed the hungry, support missions, help the poor, and build communities. But if we allow money to control our thoughts, our time, and our relationships, it becomes a trap. So, how should we live? We should work hard, but not forget to rest in God's presence. We should plan wisely, but also trust in His provision. We should enjoy what we have, but not get lost in material things. And most importantly, we should use our money to spread love, kindness, and truth. Let us not worship money. Let us worship God, the one who provides. Thank you for watching this message. If it touched your heart, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, true wealth is not found in your bank, but in your heart, your faith, and your actions. Stay blessed.